Hakuna Matata. Yes. Oh. Hi everybody. How's everybody doing? Let me get that. Pop the chat out. Let me put the chat where it belongs on the side so I can read. How is everybody doing? All right. So today we're gonna do a little bit of Picotron. I just now installed the newest version. I know I haven't been doing the shorts that I promised I would be doing. I haven't been doing them in a while, but I will record one when I record the current video that I'm currently working on, which I'm working very hard on the script. But also I thought it would be kind of nice to kind of like see what's happening when Picotron land, kind of like figure out what's new and what's happening, just like hang out a little bit and see what's happening, right? Just get into the habit a little bit of hanging out in Picotron. Sound levels are good. Thank you so much, Wash. Very nice. That's what I want to know. All right. So about Picotron. Ooh, that's new. This part is new. Hey, I play streams. This is crazy, huh? You see all the different processes that are currently happening. That's interesting. That's new. Ooh, I can edit something. What? Oh, okay. Wait. That's. What is this? What? You can edit the entire icon? Does that change the icon in Windows? No, it just changes this little icon over here. Oh my gosh. Why is white so wide? Yeah, I heard about the colors and icons. I heard about that. That's nice. It's kind of interesting that the Picotron is developing, like kind of like changing. It's like Zep is still figuring out what it is. We have the owl. There's more of my stuff that I put away. There's the owl. Yay, Kit Kat! Zoomies! Okay, just wanted to see. By the way, is this menu a Picotron menu? Kit Kat is good. That's my demo that I did at Evoked. It's almost a year ago at this point. It's so crazy. It's been such a long time. Like, where does the time go? Oh, that's good, that's good. So let me delete some of the untyped stuff here that I have here. I just want to clean up also a little bit. Alright, I have the trash files. Yeah, BBS, I saw BBS. Yeah, that's very good stuff. Is there some new? No, it's still the menu. I wish it was a bit of a UI for this, but I guess that's something that's still happening. Mom, can we have Splore? No, we have Splore. Very good. What is new stuff? What? Uh-oh. Okay, let's go. Takes a second. Man, I have some trash in here. Bin. sad. Okay. Oh wait, I put the untitled stuff here. Oh no. Don't you go into the... It doesn't want to go into the trash. You need to open the trash. So there's a cool new feature that I wanted to try out, which is there is apparently some kind of import sprite sheet. How does that work? Hey Pavilion. Oh wait, I started a second instance of Picotron. That's not what I wanted. Oh, it auto-completes into Picotron now. Okay, let's see. Can we get Cattle Crisis in? I wonder. What happens? I'm drag and dropping. Nothing happens. Let's try My Chance Sweet Buns, maybe that's a little bit more doable. Nope. Just doesn't work. That's disappointing. Oh, you think... Oh, it doesn't work from the system. You need to drag... Let's try that. Let's put it in here. Oh man. That's something I don't like. That's something I don't like about Picotron. Everything is... Because see, with Pico 8, everything was like this command line interface. So you just like think that you can just drag and drop. So you used to operating in here, right? But if Picotron is like this this interface that is based on drag and drop with Windows and everything, then you would think that it's fully integrated in Windows as well. And whenever it's not, it feels like So let's see if we can drag and drop it in here. Wait, how do we? Yeah, because how do you drag and drop it? It has to be from here, right? There's no other way. Seriously? Wait, it has the little icon, right? Look, there's just the icon. It should do that. It's not doing that. Something just doesn't work out of the box. Come on, like let's try. Okay, let's try to put it on a secret desktop. Oh man. Where is it? So we have Buns P8. Okay, then we have to put it from here on the desktop, and then from the desktop on a secret desktop. And then we're gonna get there. Oh, how convenient that is. Zeb, what are you doing, man? What is this? Could not look. What is this? What is? No. Okay, wait. It has a PNG, right? So maybe I should do the PNG. It is PNG! So wait, it has to be the actual sprite sheet. It doesn't open Pico 8. I thought it would open Pico 8. Let's try that. Okay, again, we're going. Oh wait. Nope, doesn't work. The wonders of Picotron. Alright, again, going back to the desk. Where's the desktop? There's the desktop. And open this. Bun sprite sheet. Let's put it in here. And we slide it over. Let's put it in here. How convenient this is all. This is where I get work done. Okay, and then that was it. Okay. So it doesn't actually load Pico 8. You can just drag and drop a PNG file, and that file can be sliced and diced. Okay. Oh, that's nice. PNGs from the host's OS work too, doesn't need to be from the tray. It didn't work, Wash. I tell you, it didn't work. Let me show you once again. Oh gosh. I'm here. Desktop. Whatever, I'm just drag some PNG. It's not working. Wait, I don't have the message here anymore. Oh, right, because you have to import a Sprite sheet, okay. Doesn't work. Drag and drop. There's an icon showing me that it should go. It's not going. Maybe because there's already one here. Okay, let's try this again. It doesn't work. That works. Yeah, I don't know, Malo. I know what you say, man. Maybe we need to run it as administrator. How about that? Let's try that. Pico asserting its dominance. Right, so import a Sprite sheet. Nope. Let's actually use this is the Sweet Buns PNG that I just copied over. Doesn't work. No worky. So I'm gonna clip this maybe out. Zap. I have a bug report. So when I drag and drop a Sprite sheet PNG in here, bam, that works, right? That's okay. But if I do the same thing, with a file from my host system, where I just drag and drop in PNG from a window in Windows, there it goes. I'm dragging over a PNG. Do you see that? You don't. Why don't you see this? Anyway, I'm dropping it in and nothing happens. Now you see the icon. There's the cursor, changing it to the plus. I'm dropping it, nothing happens. It does not work. It only works with files from within the system, and that's very inconvenient. Copy and paste. How do you mean copy and paste? I don't like copy and then paste. No image found in clipboard. But I copied the file, so I'm guessing it wants actual image data. How do we get image data? Do I need to open this in like... Let's open this in Paint. Right. Copying image data. Pasting it here. No image found in clipboard. Doesn't work. Let's try Pico 8. Let's see if we can copy and paste data from Pico 8. I mean, we know that this kind of works, right? I need to load something. Okay, I have match on Sweet Buns here. Let's copy this. Boop. Paste in here. Yeah, that works. I know. Windows bug is blaming this on the Windows. I don't know, man. Does it work with UWash? Have you tried this? Okay, but it's Mac OS. I don't care about Mac OS. Nobody uses Mac OS. Bam! See, you say it's a Windows bug. If you say that, then I would say that the majority of video games not working on Mac is a Mac bug. Oh, I didn't port my game on Mac? I'm sorry, that's a Mac bug. Oh, I do have a Mac version. It just doesn't work, that's a Mac bug. That's a really good way, very efficient way to do Mac ports, or any port whatsoever. I do have an iOS port. It just has a bug. The bug is that it's not on the store. It's just not working. All right, so let me see what do we do with this. We have some, so we can slice and dice this, and then we get him here. And that's great. Honestly, it's fine. The thing I'm really interested in are, yeah, it would be nice to hear somebody else on Windows checking this. The thing I'm really interested in is sounds. That's still not such a difficult thing to port. Look, all of the instruments are empty. So no, I mean the problem is not that there's like lack of good instruments. I can get good instruments in, but like importing instruments from Pico 8. I would love to, for example, do stuff like now that I have Kettle Crisis, I would love to have a port of Kettle Crisis. But getting the music from Pico 8 into Picotron is just not possible. Just like there's just no starter. I tried very early on to get the Pico 8 instruments recreated in Picotron, and it kind of worked. I think there's 2 instruments that didn't work, and most importantly, the noise instrument doesn't. It's really difficult to reproduce this. But also like, even if you get the basic instruments done, like all the filters and everything, it's just completely a no-starter to get those running, like to recreate. I would love to be able to just like drag and drop a Pico 8 file in here, just like with a Sprite sheet, and it's just like sucking out all the music and recreating it in Picotron. Apparently, I created P8X. It has SFX and music support, but I haven't released it. Yeah, no, I mean, I know that the problem is, I mean, I can talk to them, but I know that the problem is, like, it's just not there yet, right? It's not polished enough yet. I would love to if Zep is doing importers for graphics, it would be nicer, I think. I could do the graphics before, you know, get tools for graphics before. It would be great to have more support for the music side of things. Like the fact that it starts with empty instruments it bugs me the most, I think. Like if the instruments, the first 16 instruments, is it 16 or 8? I forgot. The If those were just like recreations of Pico 8 instruments, that would be already a huge start. Or at least just good Picotron instruments. Like something that's really good about Pico 8 is that it started you with those instruments. You could start making music right away, and here it's like this. I also believe default instruments is on the Picotron roadmap. Yeah. I know. Yeah, all of this is on the roadmap. I'm just saying. There's been also, I heard there's also some. Okay, so this is one of the features. What are the other features? Let's check out the changelog. I always forget that this is the button for the. Also, why can't we just drag and drop and rearrange those icons? I would love to have this icon on the very front. So this is, I think, still the same, right? Okay, I see how everything is no star right here. There we go. Alt left and alt right. Yeah, that's good. Should get used to that. So let me look this. Oh, that's super pro protector! Oh my gosh. Sorry for complaining about Picotron. I know that Zach is working hard on this. I'm trying not to be the negative Nancy. Not too much. Oh wow, I missed a lot. Holy sh... What? I missed so many releases. Binary exports. I think B was the one that I had last time around. Let me check which version did I have last time around. I know I had a version that I made a video about, and then another version was released, and I was like, okay, that's not a... It doesn't have that many features, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna skip that, and then it just like more and more kept being released. Shorts. Happy birthday, Picotron was the one. Picotron is 0.2. Just 0.2? This? Damn. Damn. That's a lot to talk about. I mean, Zep is charging ahead with tremendous speed. Alright, sub-menu when paused, allowing host full screen toggle. What does it mean? When you run something? Exports include files to generate, okay. Flatten stuff and export. So we're not exporting that much, so that doesn't really mean that much right now, but it's good setup. Binary export sets, okay, whatever. Web exports. What web export? Oh yeah, okay. So this is some additional stuff for the HTML5 export. That's fine. Full screen binary exports. Okay. Exported size limits. Ooh. P64 ROM size can be 32 megabytes. 8 megabytes for HTML. Can use fetch for more data. Okay. Mac ports. Okay. Exported cartridge is now mounted. Okay. Fix no way for. Okay, then a whole bunch of fixes. Oh, I was like, wait a minute. I know that music. Colorful icons, yeah, I remember that, yeah. So actually, let me do a second file. Short notes. Really? So I want to see. I'm working. It's almost like a workstation. So I can write down stuff that I want to maybe talk in a short. So we have colorful icons. That's we know that. Okay, icon editor, full color, yeah, that's good. Touch button for a 1 pixel rounded border. Okay, this is about how GUI works. I don't know how GUI works. I have never programmed any GUI for this, so I need to figure this out. About windows have space for 3 lines of notes. And then a whole bunch of errors. Okay. We can remove the errors. I don't get me wrong. I love that errors are being fixed, but also I don't have any errors in my mind that I'm keeping track of. So we can just like skip the errors. Humble uploads broken. What? What is humble upload? Okay, so like this. Had to reverse engineer a bunch of it from systems lib GUI Lua. But I hear there's a manual online for it now. Oh, really? Just look at a manual. I mean, there's the manual that we always had, right? So, do we have anything in here that reminds us of? No, I guess. Windows. Each process with Picotron has a single window. Create a window. Okay. Undo stacks. No GUI. Oh, I think it's still the same. What version is it? H? That's good. GUI looks decent indeed, but I'm still ignoring it for Sunny Tracker for the moment as it still changes and I want full control over what's rendering. Okay, yeah. Picotron file nav GUI is a work in progress. Oh, that's the only mention of GUI in the entire manual? Damn. I need to reverse engineer this. Okay, PAL doesn't reset the RGB display palette. Okay, that's good. P ASCII print draws horizontal stripes. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I can pick up color with right mouse button, icon color. That's okay. Oh! Tiny paint, minimal undo redo example. That's cool. Just try to drag and drop from Windows. Picotron doesn't seem to work. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for confirming, Firefire. Same experience with me. Map editor can place multiple tiles at once, can edit multiple sprites at once. What? There the same size. What? What do you mean? Oh, you mean like this? Okay. Vindicated! What's this tiny paint? Where is it? Where was that? Did I close it accidentally? I did close it. No. Wait, did I close it? Where is it? I think I closed it. But also, where is... Where did my text go? What? I need to review the footage. Somehow I lost the text. I only have shorts notes, but where is... I had the changelog in here, right? Am I taking crazy pills? What the heck? The changelog disappeared. We have multiple instances? Oh no. Yeah, it was suddenly gone. Maybe another bug, huh? Let's try this again. Let's save this. Yes, now we have changelog in here. Okay. I need to review the footage. It's crazy if that's if yeah, okay. System demos tiny paint is what we wanted. Let's try that. Wait, where is system? Am I? System? There we go. Oh, what? An icon. Oh, that's system. What? All right, yeah, I have my Pico 8 files in here. Oh, right, this is. Because it changed the colors. It changed the colors. What is tiny paint? Oh! Uh-huh. Can we open this in an editor? Still can't. Oh, no, yeah, I can. Load cartridge. So how does that work? I'm not sure why we have this. This is a page. Oh yeah, it's probably like the painting window. Yeah, and then we have and then stack, create, undo stack. Okay. And then it has a bunch of functions. And it returns page. And you draw the mouse. And then when you press Z, you go stack undo and stack redo. Paste it from Tiny Paint. Hey, there's a little cat. Wait, does that actually work? Can I just like... Did I copy it now? Yes! Pew, pew, pew! That's cool, that's cool. Very good. That's actually useful. Actually, you know what? Zep, if you're watching this, you know what I want? I want a button here. It should be like maybe here, and like a doodle button that I can doodle while I'm in the code editor. Why not? Just let me doodle here. I mean, to be fair, that's probably a bit problematic once I start doodling over the text, because then it's like, okay, the doodle can't appear over the text, right? It has to be under the text. But we're gonna figure this out. All right? There's a huge reward at the end of the rainbow. Okay, this is good. Tiny Paint is good. I think it's worth talking about. I mean, doodling over the code itself would be also pretty sick, yeah. So I haven't even found out how the undo system works, but okay. If we ever get there, we're gonna take a harder look at this. Can place okay, we already have this. Drawing outlines. Oh yeah, I heard about that. Oh, okay, let's put this out. Drawing, because that's actually something that might be actually find its way back into Pico 8 whenever we're gonna get a new version of Pico 8. We might get that. So let's try that. For drawing outlines. Let's try that. Very good. Oh no, changelog. Oh no! Let's try this again. I don't know how to unload something. Can you, guys, can you unload something? Because I had something loaded, right? Can you unload something from RAM? Hey! Very good. Very good. So how does that... Oh yeah, I heard about that. So this is the outline. This is the color. Let me see if this works. So I'm gonna make it 1. Yeah, no, it's not. Okay. So this is the color. How does Picotron deal with that? Because we have more than 16 colors. Well, whatever. And then FF. How many bits is that? How many bits is 1 to 16? Is it 4 bits? I think it's 4 bits, right? Because 2, 4, 8, 16. Yeah, it's 4 bits. Yeah. So do we have two? We have 16 bits. No, we have 8 bits for the neighboring tiles. So it's actually a super cool system. I kind of like really dig it because it's like, one char is color and 2 chars are hex to indicate the neighbors. So let me get 0 in here. How does that work? Let me get something very clear. Hey. Let me put a dot. Okay. So it's just like the subsequent stuff, right? So let me. Yeah. Oh no. Huh? It starts at the bottom? That's weird. And what if I do 1? What? Okay, so it's clockwise, I guess, right? What if I do 1, 1? Yeah. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Okay. Time to do something crazy. Function init. I equals 0, whatever, just gonna make it I. I'm not that. Do this. This is the best way to do this. I dot. Oh my gosh. It's so weird. I haven't been programming in a while, I have to say. Oh wait, how do we convert a number to hexadecimal? How does that work in Picotron? There must be a function for this, right? It's probably a 2-string thing, right? I think there is something like this. For format flags is a bit field. For numbers, return a string with their full unsigned hexadecimal value. If it's 1, okay. Ah, that's not what I want. I don't want a 0x in front. Ah! That's gonna be... How do I do that again? Substring, right? Substring. Sub. Comma, and I want to from the back. So I think that's a negative one, right? So this and then start and end indicates. So it's like -1. What? Perfect. It's way too complicated. But you know, just messing around with stuff. It's fine. Right? It's fine. Why the heck are we getting nothing here? Let's put it more central. 10. What? Oh, it's not printing nothing. I'm not sure why it's not printing nothing. Seriously, I'm looking at print. How might it have fallen? No, it's fine. That's correct. It's drawing nothing. I think is something weird now. But we're printing the is, and it's just A. A. Let's go A1. Huh. It worked before. That's what's crazy. Wait, and so let's. Is it like this? Yeah. If we set it to A though, that's fine, right? No. Set to 1. We broke it. Guys, we broke it. I'm going crazy here. Okay. Yeah, it should do that. What it's doing here. So let me put this a little bit further down. Okay, we have hay. And now I want to kind of go is. Okay, for some reason it's working now. I'm good. I know what I broke. I would have to review the footage. Okay. Good. Okay. Listen, this is way too complicated, right? But that's how I learn stuff, right? This is you're learning. Oh, right, you cannot do this anymore. You cannot do Shift R to go to the because it's not Pico 8 anymore. Okay, yeah, okay, it's a binary number. It's a little bit small. Can I make it bigger? How did that work again? So 8 ASCII wide. I always forget. Wide and tall. Makes sense. But I think the outline will still be small, right? No, wait. That didn't work at all. It looks the same. No, it's bigger. It's bigger. And the outline is bigger too, huh? Oh, that's a good idea. Thank you. That's a fantastic idea. With 3, of course. Thank you. Oh, so good. Look. So there's two numbers. The second number is in our case F. The first number is whatever we have here. So at 0, we have starting at the bottom right. We have starting at the right side of the dot. We have nothing. Wait a minute. Oh, I think this might be a bad example. It's a little bit better by example. Big graphics. Let's me make it this with tall. Yeah, that's clearer. Right. So now it's 0. So it's kind of basically the bits of the number indicate whether you have an outline pixel in each direction. So to the right on your screen to the left. Well, on the screen to wait. I have to point to the left, so it's on the right. So yes. So this is 1. This is the first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, right? So as you go, 1, so 0, 1, 2. No, actually, I still am confused. I am still confused. I think, yeah, the order seems so illogical. I think it's just, or maybe it's taking those 2 numbers and putting them together. And as we know, numbers begin on the right side, not on the left side, because I took the first number here. So let's try like this. I hate this! That's why I hate bitwise stuff. It's like the ordering, like you begin at the end. It's always so confusing. Like, what's the first bit, right? The first bit is not the first thing that you write. The first thing that you write as you're writing the number is the last bit. Because we're still dealing with Arabic notation. It's so insane. Look, now it makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you see how it's going, right? It's starting in the top right corner, like the clock, right? Like, not quite like a clock, but it's starting at the 0, 0, right? That's the first bit. So when that's set, that's the first bit. Then you go to 2, that's the second bit. Then 3 is both together. 4th is now the third bit. And then all the way up to 8. And then when we have F, everything is topped up at the end. Okay, good. It's just like really confusing. It's the second number. Okay, the thing I want to find out now. Yeah, it's the SNES version of Blue. Okay, so if you want to have like the regular outlines, we want to actually start with. We might. What do we want to start with? Actually, A was good. I think A is good. So A is good. There we go, A5. A5 gets you the regular outlines, like the regular outline, but that's like the very common outline to do. This is a cool. Bam. Now, of course, something we can also do is something like this. Want to do modulo 16? Is that what you want to do? No, 32. 32. Wait. 256. Wow, there's 256 combinations? That's crazy. Okay, what if you want to have like a thing wandering around the edges? There's probably a cool look. No, the change look is short notes. Okay, short notes I think we closed. Okay. Is that that's Super Metroid. Let's save this. Right. Okay. So if we have a pixel, so this is going to be 1. This is going to be 2. These three together are 3. Then we have 4. And then 5, 6, 7. And then I guess, okay, so it's just like 8. And I guess this is gonna be 16, and this is gonna be 32. I'm thinking. And then it's gonna be 64. And it's gonna be 128. Right? This is pro coding. Look at this. Yes! Pro coded. How do we do this? Is it I2 equals two power? Is it power? Don't we have power? No, it's like 2 power of. Where is it on the keyboard? It's like little roofie. There. That's right. And then that's right. It's going to be fast. All right. Go a little bit faster. Okay. Just get going. Oh! Wait. Huh? Not what I expected. Sometimes what I want, sometimes it's not what I want. You see how it's always to the right a little bit? I'm drawing it wrong? How is my drawing wrong? What do you mean? Seems like 8 is underneath it. Oh, I see the problem. There's an X in here. Why do we have an X? Ah, it doesn't have this. It doesn't take the zeros. How do we do that? Does it have a leading zero thing? Is there a way to do that? It's 16? I think it is, right? I mean, it's a little bit dumb, but that's on Bryant. What you talking about? That's perfectly normal. Is it like this? What? Oh. Okay. Oh. Well, it's kind of like this, huh? Or they're slightly different. Is the music coming from the rainwave? No, it's the channel is called That Game Song. I hate to do this. It's not doing what I want. Oh, wait, so it's not clockwise. It needs to be doing something else, right? Yeah, it's probably... Yeah, because that's not what we observe, right? Yeah, so this is what we observe. We thought it was going like this. But actually, the 8 is here, then the 16 is here, and 128 is down there, right? Yeah, okay. Yes. So we have to do like a array, right? So, Spooky, I'm gonna try your array. Let's see how that works. That's not how we do arrays. Listen, once you start programming, it goes away immediately. What are you calculating about? A number with no. Oh, because I think we have plus. Yes! Oh, very good, Spooky. Very good. You did it. You beautiful bastard. did it all together. Woo! Woo! Faster! Wow! 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 Computer pals! High five! Okay, so lest we forget, let's correct the instructions. Oh my gosh, this is a very long piece of code. I love this. Is so dope. Can we? No, we cannot clear. I thought it was C or something. It's really good, yeah. It should have a message when you copy it. But otherwise I love it, yeah. Okay. Can we do some other cool effect? Wowie zowie. Could also do like a scan line, right? No, we can't. We could do two outlines that circle each other. That's Sunset Kirby. It is Kirby's Fun Pack. Okay, good. So this is sweet. This is I like this. This is genuinely good stuff. Very very powerful option. I hope this makes it into Pico 8 soon. It's just a very useful way to draw text, because drawing text with outlines in Pico 8 is just such a pain in the butt. Let's try this. So I'm gonna save this. Let me organize my life. Yeah, I know, right? Big CPU saver. Didn't I just create experiments? Did you complain that I create experiments? There we go. So I wanted to have an outline test. Why can I drag something to a folder? Why is that such a... Ah! Wait, is it because it's open? No! You just cannot draw stuff into folders? I'm sorry, we are not into Linux here, Collapso. You mean it works in it works on Mac? Are you sure? Have you tried? Because I know it worked previously. Everything is Windows Mac. Let's see. Let's get evoke in here. Oh yeah. What is this? My awesome hello world? You know what? We're good. Ah, yeah, I remember. I made this too. For the logo for the thumbnail. Oh yeah, this is also very good. We don't need shmup P8 right now. I think that was just like an experiment just now. Scout 64, yeah, we don't need that. It's a demo. We'll keep Tetris around. Do we have a Raspberry Pi? That's very helpful, that kind of stuffy things. For Calypso ISO. Sure. It is true, it is the foundation graphic of life and the universe and everything else. From shmup we come, and into shmup we shall, you know, do the thing. Okay. Where did have my game been in here? Oh, that was an export. I tried exporting. Ooh! Oh! I'm deleting and it's crashing. Oh, it made it. Fubin is also setting an export. Just cleaning a little bit up. Oh yeah, and I also exported Cake Cat. That's true. Let there be the sickest of shmups. I'm in the mood for a 1cc. Hey, Kerp. All right, I want to see those rounded rectangles. So again, guys, is there a way to unload? I don't want to have this anymore. Is there a way to unload? Or do I have to reboot? No. Rounded rectangles. So our rect is a rounded rectangle. Or even has the width and height notation. No way! We're there, boys! We did it! We did it! Oh, if this makes it to Pico 8, I will be so happy. What? What do you mean? All right, save. All right, I always forget. What do you mean? Where's the rect? Disappointed! There's nothing. Are these all Windows bugs? What is happening? I'm taking crazy pills. Now they're really they're introducing all those bugs to Windows. It's not working. Guys, is it working for you? Did they change something? Did they change the name or something? I use erect for... It's insane. I would love to make video about this, but wait. I have a Linux PC right here. We're gonna see if this works on Linux. It's the U console. And I have. Okay, to be fair, it was an early build. It's not the finished build, but it should already have the RREC stuff. Oh, I don't think it had the version I have didn't have Sprite. I mean, I could install the newest version on here. That's true. I might do that. Oh, also I don't have sprites in. Also, the mouse is horrible in this one. I don't. Don't get me into this. All right. Execute this. So I have 0.2. It might be a bit of a, might not have an RREC in here. Let's see. And if it doesn't work, then I'm going to get download the version from the internet. So the CLS. RREC 32, 38. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, you should put it in draw? But why doesn't it work here? I thought that works. Doesn't it work with direct either? Okay. Okay, because we're in some kind of console that in Pico 8 that would work, right? All right, thank you, Fabian. That really helps. More you know. That in Pico 8 that works, right? Pico 8 you can just draw whatever. So now I'm kind of like, how does why? You can just do rect 10, 10, 20, 28, right? Like in the command line. And yeah, that gives me a rectangle on the screen. So wait, that also doesn't, I'm assuming that also... Oh, now it's there? Oh, here it works! What? I did the one thing that doesn't work. The one thing! It works everywhere except when you put it in an empty Lua file for some reason. Okay, good that we found this out. Glad. Okay. Hello, Squidlight! Squidlight, sit down and listen. Sure thing, Dickon. Ah, these are some really nice. None of my cards work if I load them and type run in the terminal. What? Ah, man, what are we doing? It's crazy. Whee! Oh, very nice. Can we go even further? Oh, okay. There's a maximum. Interesting. So it stops at a pill shape. Oh, Godzilla. This is the real liquid glass. This looks like some kind of worm or something. It's very good. Let's make it faster. It's interesting. It doesn't really look like it's rounding it. It looks more like there's like a circle coming from the outside. But yeah. Have you messed with color tables and for transparency yet? No, I just have like this little code here that I have for just to understand color tables. And because there's like additional steps required that I was a bit confused by. I did be with where is it? Experiments here. Picotron, there we go. Yeah, this thing. Don't force me to explain what's happening here. I'm drawing the color table on the screen so I can see the actual values, and then I'm typing in different values into the table to see what the results are, and then I'm just drawing like a color on top to see what happens. Okay, so this is cool, but also yeah, this is good. This is good stuff. Let's save this. Are correct. Very good. All right, fixed. Let's save this. Let's save this. So what else can we try out? When running or saving the PVC, I know what the PWC is. Card files open editors are giving 2 seconds to auto save. Okay. Co-running in terminal now seems use a meandering center of execution. Wow. Move to snap to grid for desktop items. Yeah, that's good. Let's use it. Prints now yields after printing the terminal. So that is okay. Add. Okay. Compatibility. Util open Lua J to jump to existing window. Default for card files and for window. Okay. Control click arrow to open a new tab. Huh? When multiple tabs are open. What? Control click arrow. I deleted all of my cards that I was picking up. Custom 720p upscaler, yo! So this is actually the thing I want to try out on the U console. I can't show you this. I need to do this. So the reason why you want to have the upscaler, I already turned it off now. So the U console has a 720p image, and when you run Picotron on it, it's just like perfectly wrong. Like it's like it's very small when you do it. It's perfect, and then when you scale it up, then you get like you get upscaling issues. And so what Zep was working on was a upscaler. My version that I received from Zep didn't have that yet, but apparently in the release version that was already included, and so we're eager to test it out. That's good. It's very good. You used to get silent failures. Oh, that's bad. Child completed windows are sent to parent. All right, good. I don't know what that means, but good. Default app alt to list default apps by extension. Okay. Config util for managing system settings from command line. Okay, yeah, that's good. kana characters. Process list in Picotron menu. Oh yeah, we saw that. Background processes, alright. Print R food to replace the last message. Oh, oh, that's cool! Haha! Oh, that's good. That's nice. That's right. I don't mind. It's good. Input for interactive terminal programs. Yes. I remember. 69. 66. You absolutely can do text images now. Picotron ChatGPT. You can also do. Socket. Yeah. I heard about that. I don't know how to. I would love to see a demo of that. So for TCP UDP connections, desktop builds only, but can use from sandbox cards. Okay. You like the meeting by group, yeah. I have no idea how network programming works. I would love to have a demo of this. If anybody has seen something, send it my way. I would love to check it out. Something simple, like send messages back and forth or something like this. I saw people doing some amazing stuff. And obviously this is very interesting because you can do, you can access the web, maybe. You can for sure do maybe multiplayer stuff. Oh, using Windows new style lines then RN or MS that used to go to beginning of new line. There's a few of that working in Picotron Discord. Oh, okay, cool. We'll check it out. I will note it down. Crash run control. Okay, that's stuff that's fixed. Okay, lots of fixed stuff. Terminal can now extend file view of argv1. I don't understand what that means. What? Oh! That's wild. Can we do it? We can do this everywhere? Since when? That's the right shift. That's so nice. Oh, that's so useful for my tutorials as well. You can be like, there's a pixel. There's see. Yeah, I've seen this in settings, but I don't know. I didn't never realize that it's always available when you press it. That's so cool. Sandbox cards can now do okay. Text editor cursor shows the character underneath inverted. Okay, that's good. Okay. Key press return nil when the process does not have a window. So we cannot control stuff that is invisible. Okay, whatever. Card files are opened in new window if already open. Edit. Set default app using shortcut full notation for default app. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's good, but not necessarily something I need to find out right now. Yeah, I saw the background cards. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, it makes it more useful for sure, but it's not my highest priority right now, or like not the thing that I'm losing sleep over. Okay. Oh, so key and key P true when any key is pressed. Oh, we saw that with a paint, right? Alt up down in code editor, jump to previous. Oh, now this is sick. Oh, look at this. Why did it took such a long time to get this? That's so good. I think I'd be useful for doing server-side stuff. Yeah, for sure. You can do like a server and everything. No way, alt down also wraps at the top. It does! Although I'm not sure if I like it that much. I guess you can jump quickly from up to down. That's good. Sprite sheet importer, yeah. Paste GFX from Pico 8 or drag and drop. PNGs, yeah, that kind of didn't work. Use the mount desktop folder and interact with that host space. Alright, so I think we back up to speed. So these are the major things that we noticed. Rounded rectangle, coral, tiny paint, drawing text outlines. Oh yeah, and I guess the sprite imports. Okay, so I think we'll be wrapping up soon because it's already 11 o'clock. I want to do this tomorrow again because I want to. I will do these things a little bit off screen, and then tomorrow I would maybe try out programming some stuff in Picotron. Either messing around with the shmup, like trying to start, loading stuff from the shmup into maybe, my big dream would be to recreate some of the tools from the shmup editor, from the shmup, like the editor stuff, recreate that in Picotron. That would be great. And the other stuff is I want to continue with the Tetris. There's actually some things have changed. So yeah, probably gonna do another one of those tomorrow evening. At the same time, thank you so much for joining me. It was a great pleasure. Thank you so much for your help. We're gonna try to get down to the bottom of these issues we have. I'm gonna try to turn these kinds of streams where we just hang out and program, hang around with Picotron. I want to turn them into more regular stuff, at least for a week or so. And then we're going to see where we go from there. Just to get more of into a pattern, into rhythm. Because I really want to be working more with Picotron. Thank you so much. See you next time around. Bye bye. Bye bye.